months, it's £30. University in the UK is much more expensive.
No, university, I will, no, my friend living there, he is there working in a factory, he is earning so much money there. He will give me money, I will give him money back when I
ਯਾਰ ਇਹ
ਸਮਾਸਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਤੇ ਕੰਮ
ਉਹ ਤਾਂ
ਕਰਦਾ
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਨਾ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਦੱਸ ਆ ਵੀਜ਼ਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਗੀ
ਯਾਰ ਤੂੰ ਵੀਜ਼ਾ ਲਵਾਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਵਾਣਾ
ਯਾਰ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਕਿਆ ਕਿ
ਪੁੱਤਰ ਬਾਹਰ ਨਿਕਲੇ ਹੱਥਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਰਾ ਮੈਂ
Yeah, I've seen his bank statement and everything. He's got enough money to finance his studies. Don't worry about it.
yeah
And
so much money no don't worry
यार
so much money
मैं बोल रहा फिर चवला मांडी बंद कर दे वीजा नहीं मिल रही so yeah that's fine
So it just doesn't seem
my
right.
college letter here they give me admission they give me Animal Research Foundation UK here is my college letter I show you that students are the corner super corner here yeah no that this one bloody yeah to whom it may concern my college name
Okay.
I think oh tu ye la si
So your
yeah NatWest my college
your college is not West?
yeah
The bank?
bank statement
yeah oh
Sorry,
no I confusing a little bit little bit sorry कागज
ओए है
सिज गया था expedient investigational online terminology this is my college
actually he's confused about his documents I show you
Yeah,
his
yeah.
college letters
This doesn't
yes
seem-
yeah इसी तरह चीजें रंग थी ऊपर आए बड़ा बड़ा लिखे थे
college now ही नहीं पता अपना है कि
यार
yeah
yeah this
that's
one.
his college King's College London
Ah,
It's called-
college
that's-
fund.
yeah
Nice
they took
college.
permission me give me letter to that
he's paid some money in deposit already so
Okay.
पहले उनको पैसा भेजा ना
देते में पैसे और
And how long does this course
मजे
last
पता
for?
नहीं yeah
How long does this course last for?
डैडी कितनी देर तक चलेगा कोर्स
मेरा प्यो वापस आना मैं वापस आना दिमाग खराब हो गया मेरा नो 10 यार क्या 6-7 महीने काम क्या है मैं बड़ा वापस आना ना कर I will go live there
yeah no actually he wants to go there and study for like 2 or 3 years and after that he will if he'll find any good job he will do it for some experience and after that he will come back no
yeah I will come back no come back
he will come back
I don't like UK yeah I just
Oh, yeah.
go
yeah.
ना I like मतलब है मैं उसको 10 ना वापस भी आना है ना यार
He will come back
like yeah
after his
but
course.
come back
And what have you done to qualifications to show that you're?
I have
suitable?
done matriculation from government higher secondary school Gujar Khan Jatli ground
I have a question. Do you have your criminal record documentation with you?
I'm not criminal no nothing no stuff like that regular but slow no nothing stuff
You
no
can
I'm not
understand
that
the
has got anything like
circumstances that we just need to be careful with this, and you have just said that you do not like.
ये क्यों बोली ऐसे पीछे को
यार
पूछने लगी है
ਉਹ
क्या चक्कर
ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਮੁਲਕ 'ਚ ਕੋਈ ਕ੍ਰਿਮੀਨਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਨਾ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀਜ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
ना
ਤੂੰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ
ਇਹ ਨੀਚੇ ਮੋਟੀਆਂ ਬਰਦਾਸ਼ਤ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ
ਰਕਸ਼ਾ ਚਲਾ ਕੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਥੱਲੇ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਨੇ ਨਾ
ਹਾਂ।
ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਚੱਕਰ 'ਚ ਹੁਣ ਤੇਰਾ ਰਿਕਾਰਡ ਸਾਰਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ
यार
No, that's not.
anyway
that's not.
it is all right yeah ना criminal ठंडार वाकफ अपना यार मैं करवा दूंगा I have links inside outside no
That's
problem.
something
Nothing
different.
stuff
That's
like
not his
yeah
actual.
here is there and
report.
there is here
I don't know how it.
I can speak very good English. If you want to say come here to person, you will say come here. If you want to say go there, I will say come here and come in the between the lines of the astonishing of the policy of the little bit history of the nationalization process which has not been understood. मैंने इसको बता सकते मैंने बताया मैंने पता रिजेक्ट कर देती है मैंने ऐसा अंग्रेजी दस I speak